Over a decade ago, Salesforce administrators were barely on anyone's radar. The tech industry was primarily led by developers and engineers. But Salesforce and its early adopters were defining a new market in technology: low-code app development, breaking down the barrier of needing to know code to build trusted CRM solutions. This opened the door for others to become app builders. They formed a community, learning and growing together in this new space.
A new tech hero was born.
Over the years, as the platform evolved, so did the role of the Salesforce Admin, taking on new responsibilities as the technology advanced, from user and data management to automation and intelligent solutions. Now, we enter a new era. Just as Salesforce is no longer simply a CRM, Salesforce admins are no longer defined by their past roles. In an age focused on security, trust, and data privacy, Salesforce administrators build and manage trusted solutions, ensuring org health through continuous configuration, support, and platform optimization. Leveraging the latest technologies, including AI, automation, and data, they deliver success for companies both small and large. Ready for the AI era? You ain't seen nothing yet.